Hi everyone, just wanna go to show you the campus nights. This is the the Ramadan nights here, and the council said they are spent $30 million to spend just make these lights here, which is like the not acceptable all. This is there should be the like inquiry and should be the because there's a lot of people here, but there's no shelters here, and there's no place for sitting to the families. And only the people like here, the people coming here, they just like, there's no place when the rain come. So all the people is like, especially with the families, with the kids, they're suffering because, the small kids here, they are like, and there's the festival, but it's a Ramadan festival. But if you go look at, they just want to make money only from this one. They not provide any facilities. So please share and subscribe my channel. This is only the true channel. The truth you find this channel, and I will try my best to give you the right information. And please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for everyone. Thanks a lot.